Hey everybody. So I'm calling this stream Discovering and Killing Insanity because I think in my last stream I made the most absurd prediction that something would take like 5 minutes and it took way, way longer. So we're gonna review that video, find exactly what I said, find exactly how long it took, and and repent and try to get better at estimating. So uh, here we go. I've got the video pulled up, um, and we're going to open the transcript. Actually, I think I already copied it to VS Code. Um, and if we look for the phrase 5 minutes, um, there's one at the like 34-minute mark. And there's one, let's see, 5 minutes. Oh yeah, look, I realized it, like 40 minutes in. So let's see it. Let's see exactly what I said.
I guess I'll just
34.
I don't know. I've reviewed these all so many times. Like, let's give it like 5 minutes.
Ooh,
Oh,
words of death.
5 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, so the task
All right, this
was
is like
like
the
the task was I'm reviewing my work before I push it for review. And usually before I do that, I try to go through each file and make sure like, okay, looks good, nothing stupid in here. And I had gone through two of them, and I had like what, I don't know, like maybe oh, if we can blow this up in size. I think that says like 34 changes. So I'd reviewed two of them. Oh, you subtract two, so I had like 30 files to go. Oh no, it says 32 right there. So 32 files to go, and I thought, that'll take 5 minutes. That would be, let's see. Um, let's do some math here. Calculator. 32. No. Let's see. 5 divided by 32 times 60, I guess, would give me 9 seconds per file. Um, that's insane. I have to like learn how to do some quick math before I make those kinds of estimates. So let's look at how long it actually took me. Well, we know it's longer than 40 minutes because I made the observation later. Let's see.
global table of constants.
What am I doing right here? Um,
Test.
oh, okay.
See the
So here
participant.
I'm like talking
So
about
this is gonna
comments and
take
stuff.
forever.
Let's put it on 2x speed.
I'm calling it. I'm just gonna post. I'm gonna post the like an update.
Okay, there we go. So at the 1 hour and 23-minute mark, so that's 83 minutes. So it took me approximately 50 minutes. So I was off by a factor of 10, a full order of magnitude. Let's start writing some of this down. So I said it would take me 5 minutes to give a cursory review to I think 32 files. That's 9 seconds per file. Insane. It actually took me, we decided 50 minutes. And like, I'm surprised I'm surprised that we got through it that long. So 50. Let's see. Uh, that's more like, about not. Let's see. Nine. I can't math. Uh, 50 minutes divided by 32 files equals a minute and a half per file. So, yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Minute and a half per file. Obviously, some of them were really fast, and some of them took quite a bit of time. Um, but anyway, uh, yeah, some lessons learned here. Um, like, back of the napkin math is really important. Let's write this down. Insight. Back of the napkin math is really, really important for estimating properly. Okay. Or a calculator if, like me, you've forgotten all arithmetic. Um, let's see. Uh, what was the root problem? The root problem is that I thought the task was like, you know, a final safety check, um, with like low probability of finding, things to work on. But I don't know, if you'd asked me, like, uh, how many things to work on would you have, like, are you going to find? Um, I don't know, I should have, like, I, let's see. Let's assume that each thing to work on, like in reality, it took, what did we say? A minute and a half. So if I said like there were, I guess I would have said like 3 things to work on. Um, there's no way that I could fix one of those in a minute and a half. I mean, each thing to work on is going to take like wild ballpark guess here because it turns out I'm bad at estimating. Let's assume that each one takes like 8 to 10 minutes. That's a minimum of a half an hour. And if I said like, okay, I'm probably going to find like 2 or 3 things, we're talking about like anywhere from 16 to like 15 to 30 minutes minimum. And actually, like it took 50 minutes. So a 30-minute estimate's not terribly far off. Like almost a factor of 2. Um, so yeah, I think I really need to start like tracking this stuff, quantifying it, because that's the only way that I think I'm gonna get better. But anyway, oh wait, let's write some of this root problem stuff down. Um, if you'd asked me how many things I expected to find, my guess would be like 1 to 3. You know, so my minimum estimate should have been um this is like a problem where the whole does not add up to the sum of the parts. So like if you'd asked me then how long would it take to fix a thing, and if I was being honest, I'd probably say, oh, if it's small, maybe like 8 to 10 minutes. So small thing, I probably would have estimated a small thing to be like anywhere from like 5 to, let's say, 15 minutes. Um, so my minimum range should, or minimum estimate should have therefore been between like 15 to, let's see, 45 minutes. 45 minutes, and then and compared to the 50 that it actually took, that's not too bad. Like, that's only 5 minutes off. Um, so, this would have been scary because, like, I don't know how many things how many problems I actually found. Um, like, I could go back and analyze the video, but that's a lot of work that, like, I'd rather be doing my job. Um, so yeah, I think this is enough. I think we've learned some valuable lessons. Um, yeah, Excelsior. Better next time. Thanks for watching.